What to say when I talk, climb on my back, or slide down my neck, or use my face for a walk. And you can tell me to smile, you can make things worth a while. Knees slap as I cry, probably laugh as I try to figure out when you're smiling out loud. You send me straight off to hell to find a story to tell, and you know that I will. You make my life worth my while, give me a reason to smile. You better hurry, and I hope that you will. Don't ever go and lay down. You don't ever go away. Should I read your choice to fall asleep with the noise? You yell at me in the guise when it's been one of those nights, and you're probably right. But when you open your mouth, all the pretty words they roll out. You point your finger at me, you've seen the worst I can be. I hope you move with that. Send me straight off to hell to find a story to tell, and you know that I will. Make my life worth my while, give me a reason to smile, and you better hurry, and I hope that you will. Don't ever go away down. You don't ever go away. Could have kind and yesterday is behind, and I believe that it's better that way. So send me straight off to hell, find a story to tell, but you all go there, and you know that I will. Oh, don't you step on my brain, it drives a man insane. Yeah, there's nothing to be laughing about. Well, I got nothing to prove, I'll be the fool for you. If there's anything I will ask you out. Don't you ever hold me down. Don't you ever hold me down. 'Cause you got nothing to hold me down. So don't ever hold me down.